What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of microphone, that their microphone is not working on their iPhones and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix microphone not working on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to check for physical obstructions. Ensure that there is no debris, dust, or other physical obstructions blocking the microphone on your iPhone 15. Gently clean the microphone using a small soft brush or compressed air. Then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to the settings, tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is simply check for software updates. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates may include bug fixes that can address issues with the microphone. So you have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying these steps, then you have to do is check for microphone settings. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to privacy and security, then tap on microphone and make sure that the apps you are using have permission to access the microphone. After checking the microphone settings, then you have to remove protective case. If you are using a protective case on your iPhone 15, it may be interfering with the microphone. Try removing the case and see if the microphone works without it or not. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone 15. So guys, to do this, you have to simply go back and then go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix microphone not working issue on iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.